Good morning, YouTube. It's been a while since I've been posting random stuff. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you something where we're actually going to troubleshoot it together. This is a Golf 5 TDI, which has a problem with the rear windscreen wiper. So when I try to operate it, I'm just gonna show you guys right now. So this is the rear windscreen wiper. So if I put the car on, as you can see, all the lights are on, and then I try to operate it by turning this lever forward, nothing actually happens. You would have seen the marks of the wipers doing that thing, but actually nothing happens. But if I say, for example, sprinkle windscreen washer, if you look, it works. You can see when you sprinkle it works, but it doesn't do the swiping thing, you know. So I had a look at the fuses. All the fuses are okay, both this side as well as inside this box here, this fuse box. So nothing seems to indicate that there's a burnt fuse. So I thought to check whether it's the what you call it, this motor here. So I had to remove this cover. If you want to know how to remove this cover, there is a video on YouTube posted by some guy. I had to follow it so that I show you guys what I'm gonna do today. So I'll put the link to the guy's video in the description for you guys. So now, in terms of trying to solve what could be the problem here, it's not the fuses, the motor. It might be the motor, but I don't want to conclude that it's the motor, because these don't often die out, honestly. They last literally like a century. So the other thing could be the wiring. I'm not really sure where the wires come from this point all the way up until the motor here. But if you look at this switch here, this is the one which actually operates the wiper. So if you follow this harness, it goes all the way down this tube, and I think it goes into this bundle here. So if you look at this bundle, it looks like a lot of things were done, so there might be broken cables here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unwrap all of this and then see what's actually happening. So just because I'm using only one hand, I'm gonna need some tools to remove these and see what's going on. So just give me a second. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I stripped off this masking tape from this part, and on examination I just noticed that there's this broken cable here, which might be the one that links to the wiper here. So the thing that I'm not sure of is where this cable, this broken cable, connects to, because there's this option here. Might be that it connects to here. No, it won't connect to here because this already has a connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two together like that, and then we're going to test it out and see whether it works. So just stay tuned. I'm going to use this knife, so I'm going to expose more of this cable and then connect it to that. Alright, so there you go, guys. I managed to expose this cable here, which I'm going to connect to this one over here. So these are going to connect together, and then I'm going to get my insulating tape and then connect them together, and then we test it out, see how it goes. Okay guys, so I've reconnected the two cables together and then I've put some insulating tape. So now it's time to test whether the wiper will work. And then if it happens that it works, then I'll put everything back together and then it will be problem solved. So I'm just gonna close this for now, and after like sprinkling a bit of water in case because I don't like the using wipers when the screen is dry. Alright, so let's put the car on. There it is, it's on. As you can see, the lights. So I'm going to push this forward and then let's see whether the wiper will work. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it works, guys. So this means our problem was not the wiper motor or the fuse. It was simply a connection issue. So guys, I just hope you found this video useful. Encourage me or motivate me to add more of such videos by liking and subscribing so that I add more videos like this. There we go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.